Hello everyone, Dave here, and in today's video, I'll be talking about the 21-day smoothie diet. I can see your eyes rolling. I know, you're thinking, not another smoothie diet. Well, rest assured, this one is different. I'm sure you've tried similar diets in the past. It started off great, you were motivated, drinking your smoothies, but then after a few weeks, you started struggling to stay motivated and keep with the diet, and eventually give up completely. Don't feel bad, I've been there. The problem with these traditional diets is that they don't allow for much flexibility for meals. You eventually give into your cravings for real food, and before you know it, you've gained back all the weight that you lost. And that's where this smoothie diet differs. What makes the 21-day smoothie diet so effective is that it incorporates actual meals, not just smoothies, into a 21-day weight loss schedule. Even better, you get to decide which meals you want to eat and which meals you'll substitute for a smoothie. And don't stress about which smoothies you should take for maximum results. Included are 36 easy-to-make smoothie recipes that are not only super healthy and packed with nutrients, but are extremely tasty and filling. Let's face it, being overweight carries a lot of health risks. It increases your chances of developing diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. So if you're looking to lose 5, 10, or 40 pounds, this diet is for you. It is super easy to incorporate into your daily lifestyle, and you'll probably want to continue on this diet even after 21 days. And why wouldn't you? Not only will you lose weight, but your energy levels will skyrocket. The 21-day smoothie diet is backed by a full 60-day money-back guarantee. For more information on this amazing diet, visit their website, which I've linked below. I hope you liked my video and found it informative. If so, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, where I will share more useful tips on healthy living. Until next time, my friends, bye!